A big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to DIWA classes. This is Divya Vadvani, your English teacher. Today we'll be solving transformation of sentences previous year papers for class 12 ISC, जिसमें we'll be taking the transformation sentences from the year 2018 to 24, जिसमें 2021 is not there because paper didn't happen, and 22 is not there because उसमें MCQs थे, so that I have not taken this time because obviously you have to solve the paper as per your syllabus. Okay, so starting with 2024, this we have already done in the solution of the paper as well as the analysis of the paper also. तो फर्स्ट थिंग 5 marks of this comes. ओके एंड सबसे पहले जो आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया जाता है दैट इज ऑलवेज सॉल्व. द हैवी शावर्स ऑफ रेन रिवाइव्ड द प्लांट्स वर revived. This is active, this is passive voice, so these are always given to you. The plants were revived by the heavy showers of rain. This is your subject. ठीक है, यहाँ पर that became the object there and revived changes into revived by, were revived by. Then we'll start from the question now. P.G. Wodehouse is the funniest author I have ever read. This is the degrees of comparison that you have to study. Adjective portion. P.G. Wodehouse is the funniest author I have ever read. So it will start it as no other author I have ever read is as funny as the name P.G. Wodehouse. Okay, moving towards next. Michelangelo was an architect and a poet. Not only was Michelangelo an architect but also a poet, without any comma or something. And this I have taken, the answers have already been taken from answer keys, तो उसमें कोई भी errors नहीं है because it is published by the council itself. ठीक है, that is why I am just rechecking it कि कहाँ कहाँ पर comma and all is there, so it is not there at all, so you don't have to mention it. Next one. Sarah said that she would come to my house the following day. Now this is your indirect speech and you have to change it into direct form. Sarah said to me that she would means I will or shall. come भी लिख सकते हो, come की जगह पर go भी लिख सकते हो, दोनों things will be acceptable as per the answer key that is given. I will go to your house the following day will change into tomorrow. ठीक है, or I will come to your house tomorrow. Then next word. As soon as the students enter their classroom, the teacher welcomes them. No sooner, now this is present tense, no sooner do the students enter their classroom than, no sooner के साथ हमेशा than लगता है, already told, जिसको आप remember कर सकते हो. not say, that is no sooner and than. no means no sooner than do the students enter their classroom than the teacher welcomes them. Okay, so there will again be no commas, nothing. Only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. None but the wearer. Only इसमें अब नहीं लगेगा. None but the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. Okay, moving towards the next part, that is 2023 questions. Sushil's attitude, now this is attitude together, towards work has always puzzled me. I have always, again active passive का एक question ज़रूर आता है, तो सुशील्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स वर्क हैज़ पजल्ड मी. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन. हाँ, I have always been. Now have changes into have been. I have always been puzzled by Sushil's attitude towards me. Next one. As soon as I solved one problem, the teacher gave me another. Now this is past tense. So no sooner did I solve one problem than the teacher gave past tense me another. नो कॉमास विल बी यूज. नो सूनर के साथ डिड लगेगा और डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हमेशा यूज होता है. ठीक है. देन ही वॉज टू जेंटल टू हैव कमिटेड द क्राइम. तो टू एंड टू के साथ क्या लगता है? सो दैट. ही वॉज सो जेंटल दैट ही could not have committed the crime. Okay, he was too gentle to have committed the crime. He was so gentle that he could not have committed the crime. वो कर ही नहीं सकता, मतलब उसके कहने का ये है. Not only was he a famous actor but also a renowned director. Besides being a famous actor. Now here comma will be used. ठीक है. Besides being a famous actor, also won't be used. He was a renowned director. ठीक. Next one. Robin said it gives me great pleasure to be here this evening. अब इसको you have to change it into, this is indirect, you have to change it into indirect sentence में you have to change it. This is direct form. Robin said that it gives, it will change into past tense. It gave me will change into him or her. भाई it can be the name of either boy or girl. तो Robin said that it gave him great pleasure to be here will change into there. This evening will change into that. So it will change into that evening. Okay, and no inverted commas, only full stop at the end. Then next one, this is the year, that is 2020. Now from here 10 transformations come in your syllabus. So as soon as the bell rings, the children run out to play. Answer is given already. No sooner does the bell ring. Now this is your present tense, so here also it will change into present tense only. No sooner does the bell ring than the children run out to play. Moving towards the next one. The next one says that now the question starts. When he returned, we asked him many questions. On his return, comma, we asked him many questions. ठीक. Here it is used as verb form. Now we'll change it into noun form. उसकी वापसी पर. We asked him many questions. The next one. He arrived and the crowd went hysterical with joy. Scarcely did he arrive. Scarcely same as hardly. तो hardly had, scarcely had, hardly did, scarcely did. Or both are correct. Scarcely did he arrive when the crowd went hysterical means they got crazy with joy. Okay. The bus service when the crowd hysterical ठीक है. The bus service has been interrupted by flood. So this is active. We'll change it into this is passive and we'll change it into active form. Floods has been, so it will floods have interrupted the bus service. Okay, the scenery is breathtaking. Now this is assertive sentence और हमें उसे हाउ यू करना है, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में नहीं है. क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में होता तो यहाँ पर ये लगा होता. ओके, मतलब इंटेरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस नहीं है ये. दिस इज योर द एक्सक्लेमेटरी क्वेश्चंस. तो दिस सीनरी इज ब्रेथ टेकिंग. हाउ ब्रेथ टेकिंग द सीनरी is and exclamation mark. ठीक है, how breathtaking, it will change it into this scenery. The भी वैसे correct होता है. You are entitled to a discount as long as the offer lasts. So long as the offer lasts. So long as the offer lasts, comma will be used. You are entitled to a discount. ठीक है, few things so are like कि आपको बस थोड़ा बहुत उसमें चेंजेस करने हैं, अदरवाइज इट इज सिमिलर. कुछ भी उसमें नहीं है ऐसा. ही इज सो टॉल दैट ही कैन नॉट एंटर थ्रू दिस डोर. ही इज टू टॉल he is too tall to enter through this door. और whenever you will write these sentences in your copy, आप यहाँ से शुरू करोगे, मतलब पूरा सेंटेंस लिखोगे. ये नहीं कि ये क्वेश्चन का हिस्सा है तो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टॉल. डोंट डू दिस. ओके. द डॉक्टर सेड टू हिम, drink at least 3 liters of water every day. The doctor, now this is your part of direct and it has to be changed it into indirect. The doctor advised him to, पूरा सेम है उसके बाद, to drink at least 3 liters of water every day. ठीक है, जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स है तो एवरी डे विल रिमेन एवरी डे ओनली. सुनीता इज द बेस्ट डिबेटर इन आवर टीम. नो अदर debater in our team is as good as Sunita. Okay, this superlative will change it into the positive form, that is good. So it will be no other debater in our team is as good as Sunita. ठीक है. Not only did he score a century but also took 3 important wickets. Besides scoring a century, now you will use comma. He took, also we will not use. He took 3 important wickets. Okay. I am sorry I am unable to accompany you. I regret my inability. Unable, again it will change it into the form of noun. I regret my inability to accompany you. Okay, moving towards the next one, that is 2019. One sentence is given as example. All nooks and corners were checked. No nook or corner was left unchecked. सब चेक किया गया था, मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था जो चेक नहीं किया था. Then he is so old that he cannot remember events of the past. He is too old to remember events of the past. Then the next one, as soon as the bell rings, the children run out to play. This is present form, that is does or do will be used. No sooner does the bell ring. Wait. Does the bell ring, सही है, ठीक है. Then the children run out to play. ठीक. No other planet is as big as Jupiter. अब it has started with Jupiter, तो आप इसको comparative और superlative दोनों forms में change कर सकते हो. Superlative में we will write it as, superlative में Jupiter is the biggest planet, ठीक है, और planet. और comparative में we can write Jupiter, और दोनों ही आंसर्स जो हैं वो करेक्ट है. Jupiter is bigger than many other planets. ठीक है, सॉरी any other planet होगा. हाँ, is bigger than any, किसी भी अदर planet से वो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Then he is forgetful as well as careless with his work. Besides being forgetful, comma, he is careless with his work. ठीक. फिर next is, it is probable that the ship will reach the shore. In all probability, BI, yes, the ship, it will comma will be there. In all probability the ship will reach the shore. ठीक है. She said that she would return the book to the library the next day. अब again this is sorry, indirect form, you have to change it into direct form. It will be, she said that she would return. So she said, I will return the book to the library tomorrow. Okay, I will or I shall is also correct. And then inverted commas बहुत ही याद से should be closed whenever you are changing it into direct form. Only trained graduates need to apply for the post. None but trained graduates. Again, only won't be used here. It will only be none but trained graduates need to apply for the post. His attitude towards his parents has always puzzled me. I have always been. Okay, has will change into has been या have been. अब I के साथ have is used, so it will be have been. I have always been puzzled by his attitude towards his parents. And very nicely, full stop. He loved his daughter, but he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. Although he loved his little daughter, comma, नहीं wait, comma, he was, अब पूरा सेंटेंस हम लोग ऐसे यूज करेंगे, बस बट को नहीं लगाएंगे यहाँ पर, comma, he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. When she heard the news of her daughter's result, she was very happy. On hearing, ing form, on hearing the news of her daughter's result, wait, comma will be there again, she was very happy. ठीक है. Besides में comma will be there and such for form of questions जिसमें हम लोग usually क्या करते हैं, noun form of verb use करते हैं, तब हम लोग commas will be used. Ashita is the most beautiful girl in the class. No other girl in the class is in the class is as beautiful as whom? Ashita. Now, most beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. ठीक है, तो ये सेम रहेगा. As soon as she reached home, she learned that she had to leave for London. Hardly did she wait, हाँ सही है, did she reach home. Now hardly के साथ when you are using did, first form of verb will be used. Hardly के साथ when you are using had, तो third form of verb will be used. ठीक है. Hardly did she reach, अभी ये did is okay, तो we will use did only. Hardly did she reach home when, and whenever you are writing hardly or scarcely, when will be used. तो इसको याद कैसे करोगे? You can remember it as HW, that is homework. जैसे वो वाला not था, nothing, not था, no sooner के साथ than, वैसे ही hardly had के साथ when will be used. Hardly did के साथ भी. Hardly did she reach home when she learned that she had to leave for London. Okay, Ramesh said, Rajiv, please bring your physics book to school tomorrow. Ramesh requested Rajiv to bring, to please bring नहीं, requested हमने यूज़ कर लिया, लिख लिया, तो अब please we will not use. Ramesh requested Rajiv to bring his physics book to school the next day. Next day, the following day, the day after, all three are correct in this sense. Some of the cakes had been eaten by the boys before the party began. The boys ate, had eaten, had been eaten. The boys had eaten, yes, सही है. Had been eaten, उनके द्वारा खा लिया गया. ठीक है, तो इट विल चेंज इट टू हैड ईटन, उन्होंने खा लिया. द बॉयज हैड ईटन सम ऑफ द केक्स of the cakes before the party began. If you are not ready to come with me, I will not go. Unless you are, because already unless is in itself is a negative word. Unless you are ready to come with me, jab tak you are not ready to come with me means unless you are ready to come with me, I will not go. And here also comma will be used. ठीक है, it is such a wonderful opportunity that we must not miss it. तो such that, yes, so that it is too wonderful an opportunity. It is too wonderful an opportunity, क्योंकि यहाँ पर नहीं लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन when you are writing it into transformation form, it will be changed. It is too wonderful an opportunity to be for us to miss. Which one? 7th one. For us to miss. Okay, या फिर too wonderful an opportunity to be missed, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्योंकि हमने वी लगाया हुआ है तो उसको फॉर्म को चेंज करने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज इट इनटू अस. तो इट इज़ टू वंडरफुल एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू मिस. वी डिड नॉट नो दैट मिस्टर फ्रांसिस वॉज retiring and leaving for Ooty. Little did, we did not know means little did we know. इसके साथ first form of verb is always used. Little did we know that Mr. Francis was retiring and leaving for Ooty. ठीक है, बिफोर आई सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन यू सॉल्व इट इन योर ब्रेन वेरी क्विकली, या कॉपी पेन लेकर के इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. जब हम एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर चुके हैं तो पॉज द वीडियो, सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व इट एंड देन रीचेक कि हाँ वो करेक्ट है कि नहीं है. देन ही न्यू द कल्प्रिट बट ही रिफ्यूज्ड टू एडमिट इट. ऑल्दो ही न्यू द कल्प्रिट, बस हम लोग उसमें बट हटा देंगे, यहाँ से कॉमा लगा देंगे यहाँ पर. ठीक है, ऑल्दो ही न्यू द कल्प्रिट he refused to admit it. I am afraid you cannot get admission to the college without clearing the test. I am afraid you cannot be admitted where to the college without clearing the test. Same, I am afraid you cannot be admitted to the college without clearing the admission test. ठीक. Then if Rita had finished her work earlier, she would have gone to the market. Had Rita, अगर उसने फिनिश कर लिया होता, had Rita finished her work earlier, comma, let me check, comma will be there. Had Rita finished her work earlier, comma, she would have gone to the market. Okay, so this is the previous year papers till 2020 till 2018. Now apart from this we'll be taking previous year papers उससे भी पहले वाले just for transformation and the phrasal verbs. अच्छा, phrasal verbs में जब we'll be solving this previous year papers, so whenever you are solving these answers अपने पास कहीं पर उसका note down कर लेना, because कुछ काइंड ऑफ फ्रेजल वर्ब्स होते हैं जो अक्सर पूछे जाते हैं. जैसे आई हैव ऑल्सो टोल्ड यू दिस इन फ्रेजल वर्ब्स का जो अभी हमने वीडियोस बनाए थे पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 वाले, उसमें ऑल्सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि कुछ स्पेसिफिक फ्रेजल वर्ब्स होते हैं जो आते ही हैं. तो वेन एवर दैट विल बी डन ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर, जस्ट राइट इट इन योर नोट्स कि हाँ ये हैं जिसको हमें बार बार रिवाइज करना ही है बिफोर यू गो टू द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल. ओके, एंड द मिक्स्ड सेंटेंस एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो विल बी डन along with these parts. So till then, keep preparing. Best wishes. Thank you.